Hi everyone, another MDF video for making a simple box which is so useful and it can be used in many decorations. Same size boxes floating on home's wall or for shop vitrines or using alone, for example using at home beside bed as a nightstand. I put a plan at the end of the video for dimensions and an assembly guide with wall installation technique, which is really easy. You should just try it. Floating bed structure and lighting design and other stuff here have their own video. Watch them. There are many points. Yeah, here it is, a simple nightstand with a light above it. I used a 16mm MDF for the main body and a 3mm MDF for the back of the box, and PVC tape with the same color and texture. Top and bottom parts have the same sizes, like parts in left and right. I used the groove for putting a 3mm panel inside the 16mm MDF, which by this technique our box is more professional. Wall installation parts are just two pieces of MDF with a 45-degree cut, which I have explained in the map. For assembly you should use wood glue, and for wall installation part wood glue beside nail gun for having a clean and nice finishing. Be careful, you should have the same diameter for your box, so you should do measurement maybe several times during assembly. For 45 angles, use paper tape or paper stickers outside the box so you can easily manage edges for being in the right place. After the wood glue dries, you can easily remove the paper stickers. PVC tapes can be installed by hand, and also you can paint front edges. And the quick tip: because the edge of the MDF draws the paint into itself, you must put it the edges before painting. For the first time it might be a little hard, but you should make one and then you will see that with a little care you will have a unique box. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe me.